Good morning, everybody. So I am joining in on the plank challenge. Camera's a little crooked, but it's okay. Joining in on the plank challenge. I love planks. I actually finish my, can you see me? I actually finish my workout sessions with two 30-second traditional planks. So I really love this challenge because there's like a variation of different planks that you can do, which I never even knew or thought of. So I am going to do day 2 right now, and then later on I'm going to go ahead and do an extra plank for the first day that I missed. So I'm going to do the 45-second plank, you guys. So let me do my timer. This is actually so fun. I love fitness. I've really been into fitness these last few years. So, all right, let me see here. My timer. Setting to 45 seconds. "45 seconds, if you can see there. And here we go. Just gotta remind myself to just breathe through it. This entire plank form is hard. Like I said, I'm used to the traditional planks. So this challenge is definitely going to open my mind up to a lot of different forms that we can do in the planks. So this ain't easy. 9 seconds, you guys. Woo! I'm gonna do one more on the other side. Here we go. Set my form up here, get set up really good on my form. Just breathe through. Go into my happy place. Which is on my phone on Amazon. And we are officially at 10 seconds, you guys. Gotta be mindful of that form. Day 2 accomplished. I'll be back later with another video for day 1 plank. But I did day 2, you guys. Have a good morning and stay active. I'm back. I just finished my workout, and as of late, like I mentioned in my earlier plank video, I like to finish my workout with a plank. So I'm going to take that opportunity to do the plank now. So I'm going to do the plank that I didn't do on day 1. So we all know today is day 2. So I'm trying to catch up. So I'm going to do yesterday's plank challenge, which was the forearm challenge, in 45 seconds. I usually do 30 seconds in my planks. So this is definitely going to be a challenge for me. I literally have no gas left in the tank. I just finished a 2-hour strength training workout. So we are going to see if I can struggle to completion of this 45-second plank. I got 45 seconds. You can see 45 seconds on my timer here. Oh my God, you guys, I have no energy. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to do this, but here we go. Plank number 1. Forearm, 45-second plank. I'm definitely doing the plank. Just gonna pray here and go to my happy place. This is not fun, especially after you have worked out for 2 hours and have no gas in the tank. Breathe, girl, breathe. 8 seconds. That's the one thing that will get you through, is breathing. Oh my God, we're done. So number 1 is done. Now I gotta muster the strength to do the second plank. Oh my God, I don't think I can do it. I'm literally drained. Even if I don't make the full 45 seconds on this one, I tried. All right, let's start it back up. Jesus, here we go. I have no energy left. This is a struggle. Come on, girl. I'm struggling. Ten seconds. Oh my God. Oh my God. 45 seconds does not seem like a lot, but when you are torturing yourself, it's eternity. That's the great thing about this challenge. Operative word being challenge. Challenge yourselves, you guys. I'll see you on day 3. Hello, everybody. It's Coco here. Okay, yesterday was a busy day. Life was life, and I did not get a chance to do any of the plank challenge. So I'm making up for lost time. I'm doing day 3's plank right now, and then later today I will come back for day 4 of the plank challenge. So right now, let's get to it. So the day 3 plank is the high plank, which is one of my favorite types of planks to do. So for this one, I made sure that I have on, oops, with a little baby here. I made sure that I have on anti-slip socks for this one so that I can maintain a good static hold on the plank, and I'm gonna set it for 45 seconds. All right, you guys, we gotta do 3 sets of these. Oh my God. All right, let's see. Here we go. 45 seconds. The anti-slip socks really help. I think I need to go down a little lower. Here we go. That's perfect. But like I said, the anti-slip socks really help to hold your position in place. You're not slipping around. And I'm making sure I'm breathing. It's really hard to talk and breathe while you're planking, but 3 seconds. All right, I got 2 more sets to do, you guys. Let's see. What's all Harley Barley? Set 2. Here we go. Making sure I'm breathing. You wonder what I'm doing, baby girl? Eight seconds. I got one more set to do. And I think I'm gonna pause it for a second. I need to take a breather and I'll be right back for the last set. Okay, you guys, so I'm back to do the last set of the high plank challenge. So here we go. All right. 45 seconds on the clock. Here we go. And already from doing these, I definitely feel like a difference in my core. So I'm really excited to see by the last day of this plank challenge what my core strength is going to be. Ten seconds. All right, you guys, so I made up for missing day 3's plank. I'll be back later for day 4. This is super exciting. I'm loving this challenge. So see you guys in the next plank challenge video. Bye. All right, you guys, Coco here. I'm back for day 4's plank challenge. This is the extended arm side plank, I believe. Yes, today is the extended side plank. It's a variation of the forearm side plank, but the arm is super extended. I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared of this one. I was recently in a car accident back in August and I had injury to this area here, and I'm just a little worried that the extended side plank is gonna be a little much for me, but I am gonna give it a try. And so let me set my timer. 45 seconds. I'm gonna do 45 seconds on each side. Oh my God, y'all, I'm so scared. I'm scared of this one, I'm not gonna lie. But we're gonna do it, okay? 45 seconds. Here we go. Oh my gosh. 45 seconds, you guys. This one's tough. I'm 213 pounds, you guys. Maybe 215 today. It depends. I'm around 213, 215, so this is a lot right here. Go to my happy place. I'm shopping with my husband's debit card. 5 seconds. It feels like eternity. Oh my God. All right, you guys. So, all right, I'm going to do this side here. I'm really worried about this one because I have injury to this area. But here we go. Let me set myself up here. Hold on, Harley Barley. Say hi to Harley Quinn, everybody. My Harley Quinn. All right, let's see. I'm so scared of this one. 45 seconds. Here we go. Oh, this side is rough for me. Tough. think I can do it, you guys. 10 seconds. Oh. Oh, I am so weak on this side, but I did it. Oh. Yeah, I was in a car accident, so yeah. This is my weaker side here. I'm actually in physical therapy for this area here. But, okay, I did it, you guys. So I will see you on day 5. So I got to give a shout out to my girl for doing this. Hey, Carrie, what's going on, girl? She's my elementary school bestie. We were in gymnastics together. I just think it's amazing that you're doing this, girl. I can't say no more. I'm out of breath. But you are amazing. You all are amazing. We all are amazing. See you on the next video. Say bye. Is it over?